All right, so YouTubers, today we are going to be installing something new, and this one is Smart School Management System, their latest version, which is version 4, which was just released somewhere July, I believe, yeah, July, and then as today you are watching this video was set to be released on this day, 6th August, which is my birthday. So I'm dedicating this video to all my YouTube subscribers and viewers, that you have this as my birthday gift to all of you. Now, if you have been following my previous tutorial, you should know how to install applications by now. So I've already created a database where the database that we're going to use for our installation, and then the database name is Smart School, and then I've already extracted Smart School into my www folder. This tutorial I'm not using XAMPP, I'm using AMS, and AMS is www folder, and I have my Smart School there too as well. So we are going to start the installation process of installing Smart School on my system. So I'll just go back and then click on Smart School, the name Smart School 1 and 2, and then that is going to rename it, and I'll copy the name and then launch a browser, and then localhost, then I'll access the Smart School folder. So I hit enter, and that is going to start the installation process of what? Smart School system. And Smart School system is one of the second school management system that I like, quite apart from in-lab school management system. Wow, these Indians are doing so great with school management system. They are putting up their best so much in school management system, and in-labs and smart school management system, there's a thumb up here for you guys. You are doing so massive. And then I pray that the Lord will be with you, and then you earn so much from your efforts, and then people keep on buying your softwares, and then you make a lot of money from it. So this is where we install this software. But before, I'm going to say something, and if you know the answer, you can respond to it. Joe Bolso Nihal, if you know your answer. So let's continue with our database installation. We have database set up here, so every system requirements is okay. Then we'll move to the next, which is some database configuration. My SQL host is localhost, I have here. Then my database name is Smart School, so I'll just copy it from here, then I'll paste it. I don't need to worry myself so much. Then we have database user, which is Avinash, that I'm using, and then my password is also inserted as well, which is which I've been stored in my system. So let's hit on check database and then see. So if there are errors, it will report back, but if there are no errors, then we'll make it our way into the next step, which is what? Installing Smart School Management System. So check database connection, and then everything went on very well, and it's saying that enter your login details, which you are supposed to use an email address as your login details. So I'll select my email address, avinash@gmail, and then my password is already inserted. Then I'll click on confirm, then select avinash@gmail again, and then the password is inserted. Then I'll click on begin installation. So at this point, if I hit begin, it's going to start the installation process, and when it is done, it moves to the finish page. So let's be patient for it to finish with the installation, and when it is done, we'll come back on your way to finish the installation. All right, you are welcome back after the installation process, and we have installation successful. Then they're saying that due to security reasons, you must delete the installation directory. So I have delete installation directory and log into admin panel. So I said, okay, delete it, and then take me to my admin panel. So it will delete the installation directory and then take me to my admin panel to log in. Now I'm on my admin panel, and you know your username and password. And my username and password is what? Avinash, and my password is inserted automatically. Then I'll click on the sign in button here, and then that is going to log me into my Smart School Management System. As you see, it's taking some time to log in, but it's going chiri chara, and then we are in finally. So this is Smart School Management System. I thumbed for these guys, in-labs and Smart School. Wow, you guys are marvelous. Joe Bolso Nihal, they are doing so well. So that is it. You can set up. I have one of the themes that I like so much. If I go to settings, then I come to general. So I'm only switching to that theme. The rest of the information you can edit yourself when you get Smart School. So edit, and then I only switch to that team, and then that ends our tutorial. So as I'm going through, if you like my channel and if you like the videos, please subscribe and then stay tuned for more tutorials to come on your way. And please tell a friend to tell a friend that there's something in the virus system that you can learn to help your career move on. So stay tuned, and then always try to leave comments, like, share videos to get to others too as well. So thank you for your time. Let's look at my next tutorial.